This fresh air intake has a filter inside. Hi, my name's Alex. I'm an AC technician with Abacus. Some homeowners come into their attic and they don't know what this box is. In this particular home, this is a fresh air intake. It basically has an air duct connecting to your outdoors, brings it into your attic, goes through a filter inside this box, and then goes into your return on your AC system, and then filters out through your media filter. In this scenario, this fresh air intake has a filter inside. When we're doing our inspections, we do come and check this air filter to see if it needs to be cleaned. In this scenario, it does not. But I do recommend customers not to check their filter for their fresh air, just in case they touch anything electrical and might disassemble the fresh air intake. In this particular scenario, we have a fresh air intake for about 20 minutes every hour. It's going to bring fresh air into your home, and so you don't breathe in that same stale air every single time.